Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today 11th April and we'll see some live setup. The first one we'll learn is Nifty with one new indicator. The name of this indicator is parabolic SAR. This is a very simple and a small indicator, can be indicated by just a small dot as you see. And then here we have nearly 6-month chart of Nifty, a daily chart. This is just a simple indicator, as I told, it's a dot. So wherever it make a buy, it will make a dot on top of the price like you see below the price, sorry. So here we see this dot is been below the price. So the moment it says change the direction, or let's say from here, this is where it start these days it was making the dots up, and then here it started changing the dot down. This point around when 28 I think 2nd August. So yeah, from this time onwards, if you see when it made the first few dots, you just cannot trust on one dot, but if you look for 2-3 dots, so here, yeah, somewhere here around 16,000 on the Nifty, and then it started going up. Dot was all the time down until till here. This is the first time when the dot start going up for a few days only. So this is where its PSAR has given us a buy at 16,000 or 16,100, and then it went all the way till here 17,400. So calculate 17,400 minus 16,100, 1,300 point on Nifty. Is that enough? If not, then you see after a few days here it again changed the direction, and then if you wait for few dots, and then you see again the direction is up. So and then, yeah, of course, just like we say in EMA, enter near to EMA lines, so here we say enter near to dots or enter near to the trend line. So this becomes a trend now. So this is your entry point again near to the trend line, which is where 17,400. So we nearly exit at 17,400. We again enter into 17,400, and then this continues all the way till here when it made 2-3 dots in the negative, 3-4 dots. So till here or here. So 18,200. So you see, parallelly started at 16,100 and continued till 18,200. How much it is? 2,100 point. Do it into Nifty sizing, like Nifty lot size, and multiply 2,100, and then see how much gain it gives you. So like, yeah, it will not work in every market, every scenario, but yeah, if the market is trending, if the market is in one direction, let's say the market is in uptrend or downtrend, then this indicator gives a very good result. Now when you know the market is choppy, then you cannot apply it on the day chart. We have to reduce the time frame, like depend on the market situation. Now depend on the market situation, I think it's very easy to say depend on the market situation, you adjust it, but that is the toughest part. If you know how the market is going to perform in next 5 days, almost anyone can multiply his money by 2 times if he knows this is a level it's going to achieve by just means of option or anything. So yeah, that is where a lot of reading and experience is required, where how the market is going to react in next few days, and then you adjust the time frame, like time frame. When I say time frame, I mean candle. Instead of day, you use hourly chart, or you use 15 minute along with the hourly support, and then you take quick decision of entry and exit. But by and large, this works well. So if you see, this is where it started giving a sell indicator, and the sell was on for some time, again turn buy, but this is again the sell. So if we consider this is a selling side, selling again continued here. So and then it's all the way continues for a long time. Again you see a buy here, started around 17,200, and then the first sell indicator came here, which is where 18,100 plus. So yeah, another 800-900 point, another one here. This is where again buy indicator was on here, somewhere here 16,800, or consider 17,000, and from there also it went all the way till 18,200. This is where the first sell was on at 17,700. So yeah, this is again another 400, 400, 500 point on Nifty. So yeah, this works well in the trending market. Okay, another one, we'll use the upper trend line, which acting as a resistance. Kane Home Finance, you see 3 times it made a top and made a trend line here, and this is just, it's trying to break the top, or trying to break the trend. It's already broken one, but came below trend line, which is a more of a bearish scenario. But as of now, we cannot take a decision. So you have to take a decision once you start trading above this line. Then you have to open a long side or delivery buying trade, and then your trend line plus minus 3% become your stop. And if you started going down here, then your trend line plus 3% become your stop loss, and then you trade it for downside movement. So that's how you will trade this particular counter. Okay, now we'll look into interesting counter HDFC Bank. See, from this point, somewhere around 1410, I think, somewhere around 1401, it started moving uptrend movement, which continued till 1722, and then it started moving down now. So I draw the Fibonacci here, and then your 38% or retracement, or I would say 68%, 62% retracement from the top comes around 1517, and then you see it's broken 1517 and trying to hit 1517 on upside. If you look last 1, 2, 3, 4 candle, it tried to hit 1517 and not able to penetrate on upside, which is a very I would say negative sign. I wouldn't say very negative sign, but negative sign. The chances are like it may again come down to and then test something around 1716 or sorry 1476. So 1470 or 1480 is the next support point looks. But at the same time, if you see PSR start going down, means PSR start saying that okay, this is a buying opportunity. So yeah, one indicator saying buy and the other indicator saying sell, and this is our hourly chart, so it may change in a day. So this is a common scenario when you have a multiple indicator and not getting into any confluence. And we'll take another example, HDFC. Again, I try, the reason I took HDFC is to I wanted to draw the same confluence, and again you saw HDFC again went from somewhere, how much, from 2232 all the way till 2900, and again it's making a retracement, but it is not even trying to penetrate this line. It is just trading below this line, and then at the same time PSR is indicating a buy on it. So yeah, now it's in the range between these 2 points, which is 2502 and 2400. Okay, and whichever direction it let's say it trade in this range for maybe 2-3 more days, and whichever direction it breaks, it will be a quite a movement from that direction. So if it's break 2500, it may go 4-5% upside, or if it's break 2400, it may go 4-5% downside. So that's how it will be. And then yeah, if one see that it is 2500, one can sort it with the couple of percent stop loss for a downwards movement. So yeah, that's how one should trade these two counter, though it's very volatile. So yeah, stop loss may trigger, so one have to be cautious with that. Okay, that's all for today guys. Thank you.